Next, use of language in communication term. What type of language using? How to they will maintain communication related to the language. Example: your language different, our language different. But you know English, I know English. That's why you're maintaining of the English and will maintain the good communication. Sometimes some people. 1 minute. Okay, use of language. See, use of language whenever you using of the another person related language and speaking means they will maintain good communication. Once not maintaining of related language and not using of related language means that time you will get to the good. You will get of the gap of the communication to the between two persons. Here, poor choice of words or weak sentence structure also hampers communication. Means, example, see, whenever coming to college, that time you do, some people don't know English, but I don't know Bengali. That time sometimes we'll get to the gap of the communication between madam and student. Here, because of why means poor choice of words, not clear of the proper words and weak sentence means whatever you speaking, the sentence also not good. And structural pampers communication means related whatever pampersly means related whatever speaking means the structure also not good to the speaking time about the language. That is sometimes you get to the communication. Yeah. And the same goes for appropriate punctuation. Means same promise same language good in appellate. One minute. Okay, here inappropriate punctuation means they can't understanding properly. They can't read particular person. That's why they will get to the related language. Also, they will get of the delay of communication. For example, woman without her man is nothing. Yes or no? Woman means without her means what happened? Man is a very nothing, and woman without her man is nothing. See, same like that, but differently. See, woman without her man is nothing means in case whenever getting marriage means that man situation man time, that time no woman means that time is nothing to the particular man. Like this also, no language properly means nothing to know how the proper communication to the some between two persons because of not same language, not speaking of the properly. That time nothing to have the communication. Here, like example also, in case woman without her man is a nothing. This is an example for the use of language. Okay now.
Yes.
Next, disabilities means like a no capacity. Disabilities means some people no have the capacity properly maintaining of communication. Here see, you may need to use hearing aids, sign languages, magnifying systems and symbols to alleviate problem. Alleviate means like a some suffering problems and caused by disabilities. Why you are suffering of this some problem is because of you don't have the proper capacity in the body. That's why what happened, you can't maintain properly communication, you can't hear of the any aids, you can't speak of the same language. Sometimes you're not using of this symbol. So hi like a hand symbol, like that you can't give because of that much disability, means that much of capacity have elevate problem. Some whoever have the any health problem, any mental problem, that people know have the disabilities, means not have to the capacity properly maintain the communication. That is a disabilities. And next, known or unknown receiver. See here, known or unknown receiver is whoever receiving of the message, known or unknown, or sometimes no communication of the known to unknown person. See, whether the receiver is a known or unknown to you also plays a major role in the determining the effectiveness of your communication. See, receiver is a known person, but receiver don't know sender person, because see, example, you are sending sending message to the anyone, but receiving person you don't know you, but you know receiver, because of why means sometimes you are using different numbers na, in two numbers using one number only. In case example, in case I have the one number only for student, that student have the two numbers, in the second number also I like that keeping message, that time I don't know who's that, but sender person know who I am. Like this, known to unknown also receiving of the message, whoever you don't know, otherwise your family members I don't know, but I am speaking to your family members. Like this also, known to unknown also, they will sometimes they will maintain communication, otherwise unknown persons, whoever don't know unknown person, they'll also not maintaining the proper communication. And though, please keep mute. A known receiver may be better able to understand your message, means whoever known person means the person easily understanding of your message, but unknown person, you go and ask unknown person, please give me 10 rupees, 15 rupees, like that you're asking me, what happened, they can't give because of you don't know who are you, like that they will ask. That's why don't ask anything unknown person, may known person only receiving of the good message to the unknown person. Somnath Bera, cube mute. See here, so known or unknown receiver means sometimes unknown, whoever known person, that person's only receiving of the another person message. Unknown person, nobody will receive the messages. Like that also sometimes we'll get to the gap of the communication. Here last point you see, a known receiver may be better able to understand your message, means whatever you speaking to your known person, they will easily understanding of the your problem, but you are explaining to the unknown person means they can't properly, they can't understand properly, they can't maintain the proper communication. That's why this also sometimes they will affect of the communication delay, known or unknown receiver. Next, individual perception. See, individual perception here, sometimes the method of communication needs to take into consideration the receiver personality, traits, age, and prepared style. Means individually you can maintain a good communication to the person. How means he can receive the personality traits, whatever they have the personality traits, and means related personality and age, particular age, prepared style, means particular example, your age or differently or maintaining of your style. In children age, they will different style maintaining of the style. Some people's children people like cannot maintain properly style, and your age people such like a maintaining of the children activity style, like different having, because of nobody will informing to the each person, like that you can, like that you can have, means like that you can stay like this, means whatever they're doing any mistakes means they can't inform, they can't explain, because of they don't know how to maintain the communication to individual also. Some people's not giving information to the about life also, that's why they can't maintain properly personality, they can't maintain the proper styles. That's why individually we can motivate to the each person related age peoples, we can prepare the style. Means whenever preparing to the style and giving up the good communication means the time also you can give the properly individually, because of group wise giving means they can't understanding, individually lovingly smoothly or speaking nicely means they will easily understanding to the each person. That's why these also sometimes in consideration of the good communication of the individually. Next, atmosphere, noise, distraction. See, sometimes atmosphere means like a good place. May appearance like a good means okay, good communication. Okay, appearance not good properly means they'll also not maintain the properly communication. Sometimes some people's very violent noise, like distraction, like same three only one meaning only, ma. And our surroundings can sometimes pose as barriers to effective communication. Barriers means delay of communication. Sometimes the surrounding affecting of the delay communication. Why means a noisy place usually puts strain or oral communication, as both the sender and receiver need to put extra effort to communicate. Example I will tell. In example, in one street, two houses. One house very silently, disciplinedly. Another one house very nicely keeping sounds different. That time what happened? The two houses no communication, between two houses no communication because of that nicely not good appearance of the place. That's why they will delay of the communication. Here also nicely place and oral, whoever maintaining oral communication nicely, that time they delay of the communication sometimes about the noise and about atmosphere. That's why sometimes can't properly sender whatever sender to message of the nicely, that time receiver can't receive the proper message to the sender. Okay. See here, source you see, picture you see, source that laughingly means laughingly they will sending up the message to receiver, and middle nice coming that message full nicely, and whatever speaking nicely means that receiver you see facial expressions very dull. Like that, no communication of the source between source to receiver. Source nicely speaking nicely, laughingly they will sending up the nice message. That receiver receiving time, the receiver is very dull because of that much noise. That's why no communication of the so between source and receiver. Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, clarity of message. Sometimes some people's not give clarity of message. That time no communication. Whoever giving good clarity of message means they have the good communication. Here is the message conveyed in clearly or ambiguously and mannerly. See, ambiguously means like a good mannerly. Some people like a vulgar means some people lazily speaking to somebody, whatever they, in case I'm telling any one person call that person means you are also going to lazily and calling. Like ambiguous means open or more than interpretation. Means sometimes no have the obesity means obvious means obediently they don't have the properly sometimes. See, is the message conveyed clearly and ambiguously manner. Some people send of the obediently, clearly, they will send message to the another person. That time good communication have. Otherwise, they're not clear of the proper message means they will think like this question mark, like a dull. This message what no clarity like that. Example, say tomorrow you have exam like that. I told me which time, which subject, which topic, like that. Because of I'm not giving up the clarity message for students. The students also will get the question mark like a dull. Once I am giving good clarity message for students, means they will also get the clarity of message. They will understanding of the my message. Like that, that time you have the good communication. Whoever not giving up the clarity message, they can't maintain the proper communication. And next, lack of feedback. Main feedback is important is enable confirmation of understanding to be made by both parties. See, in case I am taking class, I will ask questions. Otherwise, I will ask what about my teaching like that. You are giving feedback means okay, both parties have the understanding way and good communication. Once you not giving feedback about me means that time no both of parties no understanding way properly to the between the two peoples. Like this lack of feedback, whoever not giving feedback properly, that people also know have the communication. Whoever giving feedback about another person is that time the both parties have the good communication. Okay, understood this one, lack of feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, last one, conclusion. Means last conclusion, like a summary conclusion. What main point like effective communication is giving, receiving, or exchanging of information, opinion, or ideas so that the message is completely understood by everybody involved. See, conclusion, whenever you giving information and receiving of the exchanging of information, opinion, ideas, thought, this and all means that time completely you can understanding and everybody involved. In example, see, I am taking this class. Once nicely you can understanding means next class also you can joining of the my class. Once I am not taking properly means can't interest of the particular my class, that time you can't join next time also. Like this also, whoever have the good ideas, thoughts, you can exchanging and receiving of the understanding way another person problem. All persons, everybody understanding clearly message or anything is immediately they'll involving of the in particular communication time. That time between two persons, otherwise between two or more people have the good communication. That is a conclusion. Okay, now
Okay, ma'am.
I told Nachi congestion. Congestion means like a congestedly. The discomfortly they will discomfortly they have the in the congested means congestion means very discomfortly. That time no communication. Once conclusion, lack of feedback, noise, and then use of languages. This and all including and getting conclusion means they will receiving of the understanding way and exchanging of the whatever they have the inside of the feelings. They'll exchange to the another person. All persons will involve of the every time. This is a conclusion. Okay, anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Today 4th unit finished. Tomorrow I will start 5th unit or 6th unit. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.